Hello everyone, I'm here today to explain the international contest for node-by-node cooking. Okay. I'm sorry about my French accent. I do my best, but you know I'm French, so anyway. The question is international. So people are quite upset because they think that international it will be a big thing with strict rules. No, don't worry, it's very simple. Year after year, since 7 years now, we organize a culinary contest about node-by-node cooking. What is node-by-node cooking? It means cooking with compounds, like, for example, citric acid, or proteins, or amino acids, or sugar, glucose, fructose, lactose. Okay, so you have these powders, or these liquids, sometimes they are liquids. For example, ethanol is a liquid. You know, ethanol is the alcohol that is making vodka, or brandies, or wine, or beer, and so on. So you have these liquids and powders, and with these products, you make a dish. Okay, so it's very simple. It is exactly like electroacoustic music, using a synthesizer. Generally, in the past, you were playing the violin, which means that you produce immediately a certain sound, the sound of a violin. Okay, but since about 1 century, we know how to decompose the music into pure waves, 440 hertz and so on, and then adding these waves, these pure waves, you can make a new sound that never existed before. And with this new sound, you can make a new music. This music, this electroacoustic music, is everywhere today. So we have to be ready in the kitchen for the same. Because for 1 century, we have analyzed the food into pure compounds. And now we have the pure compounds and we can make food. Okay, this is node-by-node cooking. It is very simple. It is very funny, and it has a lot of advantages. I will not be long about that because I did already courses on books and so on. So you will find everything online, in particular on the internet site of AgroParisTech, and in particular in the part about the International Center for Molecular Gastronomy. Okay. Be careful, node-by-node cooking is cooking. Molecular gastronomy is science, so it has nothing to do, except that this Center for Molecular Gastronomy, which means science, physical chemistry, is organizing this contest every year, since now 7 years. It is always the first Friday afternoon of June. Okay, and this year, the final event will be the first Friday afternoon of June. But please apply immediately because you will have more time to prepare your dishes and to propose the dishes to the jury. Okay, now every year there is a new topic. This year the topic is cocktails and Diracs. Okay, cocktails is very simple. I will make probably a podcast about making a node-by-node cocktail. It is very simple. Dirac is the equivalent of artificial meat, let's say, or a reproduction of meat, which means, in a way, having water and proteins. And then you can organize this in order to make foamy meat, or emulsified meat, or crackling meat. Or it's not meat, because meat is meat, you know. Meat means the muscular tissue of animals. But using proteins, you can make some reproductions with new properties. I would say that it is a bad advice to reproduce meat, because meat exists already, and it would be better to produce new dishes, new Dirac. Dirac is the name for this particular product having water and protein as a base, like meat. Okay. You will find on the internet, in particular at AgroParisTech, many pictures and many recipes about the contest. For example, the coq au vin by Swiss people. This dish was made by a Belgian student. Oh, I forgot to tell you. There are 3 categories. Chef, students, and lay people. So you can apply in the category that applies to you. There are many results already. We display the results. You just need to send me an email at icmg@agroparitech.fr, and then you begin participating to the contest. And then there are prizes as well. For example, a company is offering some compounds. It could be citric acid, it could be agar, it could be colorants, it could be what is it? It is sodium bicarbonate. So this one is not so exciting. But what is more exciting are some companies like MAN or Ikemusu are giving boxes of odorant compounds. This is very, very exciting. You know, for example, Ikemusu is a small company. I don't have anything to sell, so I can tell you honestly. For example, in this box, in this bottle, there is oil, pure oil, organic oil, with one compound in the right concentration. The odor is wonderful. So this is a wonderful gift for the future. And finally, there is also my book about Note by Note cooking given as a prize. So you see, a lot of fun in preparing the dishes and sharing the excitement of this contest. A lot of prizes, and you will participate to the big adventure of Note by Note cooking, which is the next great culinary trend. Exciting, isn't it?